Hey guys, it's Ding here. We're on the lake. As you see here. Yeah. I'm trying not to drop this camera. Ding over there, I know, but I can't see him. Some over. Yeah. So we're on the lake. I'm gonna try one. Which I'm quite small, but still, yeah. The freaking mansions over there, freaking people. So yeah, and then thing one's got vlog out here. So yeah, there's an airplane. Airplane. So yeah, cocky on my lake. And beautiful. Gorgeous state. Gorgeous fucking awesome. So yeah, I'll be well. This will continue.
You guys think one here? Shoot. I'm stuck in I don't know what predicament I'm in today, but in the lake. No idea why. Some idiot brought me down here. Next thing you know, I was in a lake. Pretty sure this place looks a lot really familiar. Ballsack Lake. I'm pretty sure it's named. Might remember it. Show it in another vlog. No, not a vlog. One of the hobos. I found that hobo guy. But yeah, that freaking was crazy. But yeah, I'm back at Ballsack Lake. Thing 2 probably already showed you this. But, oh shoot, that's fish. Is there anything behind me, guys? I can't see what's behind me. It's freaking crap. Alright. Oh, cool. Kind of it. Kind of tight. Don't know if you can see that. I can barely breathe. But apparently Dylan Thing 2 said that alligator in this lake. Like I don't know. So there's an alligator over there. But there he is right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. But yeah, I don't want to drop my camera. So I'm probably gonna end this right now. So yeah. That's what I'm currently doing. Don't know why I'm out here, but I'm out here. Are you out here? I don't know. Make sure to like this video. Like to, I don't care. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys tomorrow. There are ducks. Move out of the way, kids. Go bug, you freaking idiot. Go bug that idiot over there. Wait, who the heck is that? I don't know. Oh shoot, is that Dylan? That's Dylan over there in the corner. Oh, here's the ducks. They tried to attack me, but now they're afraid of the camera. Bye.